The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and I'm going to give you a little bit of explanation about this video before I present this video to you, because this video is a little bit shocking. You see what I said to you? Yeah, it is somewhat shocking. Now, according to some of the things that have been said on social media about this video, and according to some of the things that I saw in this video as well, I get the understanding that this video shows a person who had been hit off his bicycle by a police vehicle within the country of Guyana. You see me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Guyana this had happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this had happened. You see me? But however, this video that I'm going to present to you, you're going to hear some harsh languages being used in this video. You understand? You're going to hear someone talking in the background of the video, and that person said some harsh languages in the video. And if you listen closely or say listen carefully, you might hear a police officer or one of the police officers said some things that are considered to be harsh languages as well towards the person talking in the background of the video. You understand me? Alright, so the question that is being asked about this video on social media, who was wrong? You understand? Someone, you my viewers and subscribers, take a look at this video, and you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me who you think is wrong or who is right or so on. You understand me? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I didn't have a caption, but you got a little problem here now, whereby the damn police like driving, and they knock the little boy. So I stand by the window and I watching. So I saying like, y'all like they're trying to make some sort of excuse about the man. Don't tell me don't video nothing, and y'all don't cussing me. Don't shake me. You're shaking me off. Are you powerful now? Yeah, me not suck you, cause I get your mother it for suck. I some disrespectful fucking police telling me boy I must suck you cock. Why don't care to man get your mother for suck? I some disrespectful police telling people shit. If you knock the man, if nobody went out there, I would have drive and go away. And I'm glad the big woman there right outside down there for hear you. And the vehicle is PNN. Where is it? Where is the number? PYY. I want to see the vehicle number properly, man. I ain't seen the vehicle number, man. Somebody could tell me the vehicle number because of the till up here, I can't see it properly. I want to see the vehicle number because of the till up here, and if I can't move from here, if I come here, I won't get the blasted life properly. The first police going to tell me the big tall strapping one down there. When me don't fuck myself when I tell it, yes, y'all knock the man because I did right through the window. Then the next Indian one tell me why you don't suck your cock. Y'all you get on the uniform there? You get on the uniform there, you're like a shit, you're like a piece of shit. You done wrong, and then you're telling me something else, but shame? You should shame yourself. Because you get on the uniform, you have no fucking respect for it. That's why nobody in action does respect y'all. Use the driver for the vehicle and you're telling me shit. If nobody they went out here, it's just so y'all kill the boy and I go away. Nobody would know anything. Don't watch me. Don't watch me. You can't do me nothing. You can't do me nothing. Mean as not Travis Chase. Right is right. Y'all take advantage of a lot of people in this place, eh? So, yeah, you ride into the vehicle clung, but still yet what you got in every time but suck your cock. Why don't care to him and get your mother for suck? Are you too fucking disrespectful? I glad I know your face and I mark me face, so I will never respect you. Get your scunt! You can't do me nothing. I'm not alive. I am not alive and people can hear. You can't do me nothing, so don't even think you could threaten me to tell me scunt. Because you can't do me nothing. If nobody they went out here, y'all would have drive away and left the man right and he would have dead. If it was something more serious. I got it, somebody could tell me the vehicle number. Because I can't see it properly from up here. He got to be easy about a man for truth. Tell me about sucky cock. And the next one car me scunt. He mark me face. What's going to happen to me? I waiting for you to do something to me. I waiting for you to do something to me. You black scunt. Look your face. Look your face. Don't watch me none. You can't do me nothing. Are you wrong? Are you done wrong? Me ain't come down here. You come up here for me. You come and kick down the door like I just kick down other people's door. Tell me about come down here. You must be powerful. You must be my father. Where's the vehicle number? I want to know what is the number. 36, 31? It's P's, what is P what? PVV? PVV 36, what? PVV 36, 31. A big strapping one driving the vehicle and the next one with the Indian one with the gun in the hand. Tell me like sucky cock. Like come downstairs you see what you do to me. They knock the boy on the street. There's a little street. There's a little street. I even supposed to be driving so fast through a little blasted street. Well good, what you gonna do? You gonna carry to the hospital? Something else could happen to you. He could go and he could dead. There's the seed. You tell me but fuck me, fuck you too. I would not respect you if you want to come on here for cuss me. You can't come on here for cuss me. You're supposed to be more professional in your uniform if you do something to a citizens on the road. Is the people then that gonna actually look at people out there? Anybody could trust you? Nobody can trust y'all. Telling me shit. Telling me about suck your cock where you don't go and let your mother suck it. If you want disrespect me, I would disrespect you too. Some real disrespectful people and get for play, but I just watching over people. People has got to go to the station and deal with people like I this. Very unprofessional. Why y'all don't carry the boy to the hospital or something? Something serious could happen to you after then he knock his seed. After the disrespectful one was driving the vehicle, tell me like car me scunt, Guyana and sit down. He ugly self inside of the vehicle there. Tell me like come down here and know what you do to me. You mark my face, you can't do me nothing. Cause you's not above the law. You might get off on the law, but you not get off from God. Disrespectful elements. Don't watch at me, you can't do me nothing. Nothing you can't do me. Come outside close here, son. Let us see you properly then. If it's so powerful. The main thing they got your vehicle number. And that is the main thing they could always find y'all. And let me see what will happen. But they all disrespectful self. That is why nobody can respect y'all when y'all come out there for do all your work. Because I am more disrespectful than anybody else. I is why I enforce the law and y'all do the most. Yes, and they in their uniform. The Indian one tell me but why you don't suck your cock. The next one will carry me scunt. It's lucky thing people the out don't never see y'all. Get the vehicle number properly for my auntie. So they're on the live so people could actually hear. Let them carry to the hospital, not home. Let them carry him to the hospital. Somebody need to go with him, go to the hospital with him, man. He want to go nowhere, he better go. Because the last man that say he alright after then he go and he dead. Don't play hero. Let them carry to the hospital. Don't play no hero banner. Go on to the hospital with them. Don't let them fool you up with shit. Right through the window there and see me. Thought nobody ain't see them. Then the disrespectful big fat one gone inside down there. After you don't tell me I could disrespect you now. Cause after you don't tell me like wait my scunt. And the next one was sucky cock, I could disrespect y'all now cause y'all some shit. Youth man, you could play hero much you want. I want to know that you see the knuckle they carry to the hospital, man. Like you ever just checking light on vehicle, like you ever see a blasted vehicle in Jarstrong Hospital. Driving the gun. No respect them got for the law. Uncle, make sure you get the vehicle number properly here for me. PVV 3631. And that's so far I even can't see it. Piece of shit. A little street and they're driving through. One little blasted street and driving through. They knock the blasted by and trying for driveway because I done shout at them. The next one gonna tell me like sucky cock. And the next one like get my scunt. I should come downstairs, you gonna see what you do to me. So they want to come upstairs and actually kick down me door. Such a disrespectful police them by. They really feel them above the law in this country.
Viewers and subscribers, and I real, I'm gonna say this, you see? I think that the police officers should have just take the person and carry the person to the hospital immediately from that incident happened. You understand? You see? Even if the police officers were wrong or right. You see me? The point is that they are police officers. They should just put the person in the vehicle and take the person to the hospital and get the person checked out. You see me? And you know, you have persons who will be like, oh, me no want go to hospital, me no want go to hospital. But remember, you're a law enforcer. You see me? You're there to protect citizens. You understand? So therefore, even if the person I say, yo, me alright or so forth for certain safety reasons, I believe that you as a police officer or police officers should take the person to a hospital at least to get the person checked out and see if the person is okay, because the person got hit off a bicycle. You see me? Not that I'm saying that the police officers did not take the person to a hospital, you see, because this is just a video. I don't have any confirmed information exactly what happened after the video ended. You see me? I say, maybe the police officers took the person to a hospital after the video ended or what, you see me? And maybe they did not, you see me? The point that I'm trying to say is that they should have just immediately take the person to a hospital immediately. Don't even bother ask certain questions. You see me? Once you saw that the person is feeling pain and all these things, immediately take the person to a hospital. That's the point that I'm trying to make, you know. You see me I say? And I'm not here to defend anyone either, you know. I'm not defending the person talking in the background of the video, and I'm not defending the police officers either. You see me I say? Yeah, because me hear some harsh languages used in the video, you see me? And one thing I want to point out is that each and every one have respect for each other, you see me? Even if you're a law enforcer or not, you should have respect for each other, you see me? And persons should have respect for law enforcers and so on, you see me? I say, that's what I point out, you see me? And you know, you have a thing where some persons are going to be like, oh, the police them this, the man, so the man have a right to talk and so forth, and well, every one of them won't believe. You see me? But all I'm saying is that I'm giving the best advice. I think that each and every one should have respect for each other. I'm not defending anyone. You understand? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Let me know who you think is wrong from who you think is right. And, you know, let me know what you think overall about the video that I just presented to you or the incident. You understand? And here's where I'm going to leave it. You see me? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see? You don't know me there to keep you up to date and posted, right? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.